Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's burning question: is there a fee to start investing with Wealthsimple? Now, we all know that getting started with investing can feel a bit daunting. You've got all these different platforms, confusing terms, and the constant worry about losing money. And let's be honest, the last thing you want is for your hard-earned cash to disappear into hidden fees. So, if you're considering Wealthsimple, you're probably wondering, is it actually free to get started? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to break down everything you need to know. First things first, let's quickly recap what Wealthsimple actually is. Essentially, it's an online investment platform that aims to make investing more accessible and affordable for everyone. They offer a range of investment options, from simple, automated portfolios to more customized strategies. Now, back to the main event, those pesky fees. The good news, generally, yes, you can absolutely start investing with Wealthsimple for free. There's no upfront cost to open an account or to start investing. But there are some nuances. Management fees. Wealthsimple charges a management fee on your invested assets. This fee varies depending on the type of account you choose and how much you invest. Trading fees. If you're actively trading stocks or ETFs within your Wealthsimple account, you might encounter trading commissions. Other fees. There might be other fees associated with specific services, such as account transfers or withdrawals. Provide specific examples, types of accounts, and fees. Let's break down some common account types and their associated fees. Wealthsimple Invest. This is their core offering. You choose your investment style, conservative, balanced, etc., and they automatically invest your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Management fees typically range from 0.40% to 0.50% of your invested assets. Wealthsimple Trade. This platform is for active traders. You can buy and sell individual stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Trading fees vary depending on the asset and trading volume. Wealthsimple Cash. This is a simple, no-fee checking and savings account. Advantages. Why choose Wealthsimple? Even with the management fees, Wealthsimple offers several advantages. Accessibility. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Automation. Automating your investments can help you stick to your long-term financial goals. Diversification. Wealthsimple automatically diversifies your portfolio, reducing risk. Fractional shares. You can invest in even the most expensive stocks by purchasing fractional shares. Here are a few tips to minimize your Wealthsimple fees. Choose the right account type. Select the account that best suits your investment style and risk tolerance. Invest for the long term. The longer you invest, the less impact management fees will have on your overall returns. Maximize your contributions. Increasing your investment contributions can often qualify you for lower management fees. Explore alternative options. If you're a very hands-on investor, consider alternatives like Wealthsimple Trade, where you have more control over your investments. So, is there a fee to start with Wealthsimple? Generally, no. However, it's crucial to understand the ongoing management fees associated with their services. By carefully considering your investment goals and choosing the right account type, you can minimize fees and maximize your returns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.